Oh, Sol Makam. It's another guy who missed this year. Take Genge puts us in Diana. Solely, I feel I'm a shock. Solely wasted his time instead of building a proper brand and making a name for himself. I didn't like gang. As soon as the trend, it was funny. People were sending each other over Facebook. Then I got the WhatsApp, and then I started to be a so if you listen to his last 3 albums, he's struggling. He's a struggling artist. Our whole Sol Makam, the legend. He's a living legend, whether we like it or not. He's struggling this month, which is crazy. How he's still relevant, but his career is not moving. Because always think that one and so are with them gang. I can't there's a reason why there's so-called brand managers and whatever the case is. A brand matters. How people perceive you matters, and as an artist there has to be someone who's responsible for creating that image, because it's not just randomly people who dress up. We needed to see a different side of Sol Makam. He can't be a clown throughout. For HIV Mackenzie, clown. Sol Makam, clown. G1, clown. And the RA showing his intelligence is still clowning. You can't. Clowns have no social value. All comedians have a level of seriousness. We need to see that, so that we can't really differentiate between all Sol Makam's personalities. It seems like the same person, just doing different rounds, called different names. Sol Makam, if you're really not aware of what tomorrow will bring, if you're not, you don't foresee the future. Everything ends up in what song. About entertainers. There's social media now, everything's on record. You are going to be crucified or applauded for what you did. Loko mimi ngambotsa ayena ntsena ngatabula kumbotsa nabana ba yena batakula ba kumbotsa nabatukulu ba kumbotsa. There's no future without the past. What we're doing now, this is going to be the past. And when they look back, we've been so this directionless album release. Release that album to Taribalek, a whole rangan. Oh, Mesa album here, as long as you have controversy, or a controversy where album now have no relevance. In social we can be full of Kulukumba or Kulukum. It's like, we can be full of like Gangula and house music, you have to like the dog with the DJ. You are not a musician as well, and you just invest in other musicians. When logo investor in being to be a producer, you could deliver more. But the problem, I want a talent when a person. So you forever. I've always said this: be a DJ Khaled. You don't have to even open your mouth. You have the money. Take the money and invest in kids with resources. You could change the game making people. But the social direction won't gang. All the new age kids could be put on by you, and imagine the money you could make. For the money that you spend on your career, you could have spent the same money on 3 kids who could give you, build the competition that would be in the back. Anyway, when I saw that one, I'm going to right. So you need a new team. Kenny, you need to stop. You need a new strategy. Pen as far as again now. Hey, that's an honor now. We are of a sure. It's gone. Stop. You are a legend. You have killed it. I love to look at me. I need another nightmare for an album like this Korean jazz. But in jazz, mangatsika sibara that album does I was saying think outside the box. When you saw the insurance, that's nice. So the reality TV show, that's dope. But maybe second because when we lose you guys, we lose heroes. That's what people don't understand. It's not just about music. You are our heroes. We don't have any other heroes because intellectuals are not famous. That's all. We are not having authors. We have no revolutionaries. All the non-music talents or what's with that in this? All the amazing people who are not musicians, but meet with the Shakatwan. So politicians especially speaking shit also musicians letting me such song you are our heroes. You as artists you respect us because why? The language and their identity is shaped by you. History tends to fuck with the future because we base everything off it. So if you guys currently are the standard of what our music is, it means our music is in a poor state. This is not good. We need to like someone who gives by Nuna, it's a guy to fuck around. Anyway, men bullying on my thing. So tell them that pigs are at comment section. So